Number 6 represents responsibility, love, and service. It has nurturing qualities often linked to a caring parent. 6 is creative and can work in teaching, counseling, healing, design, or the arts. It values family, home, and relationships, but must learn healthy boundaries and self love. It is a holistic number, seeing the big picture and employing both hemispheres of the brain. It is the number of the cosmic mother and births new life. In business, it is an expansive number. Its color is indigo and it is both earth and fire. If this resonated with you, tap like and subscribe for more.